everybody, and welcome back to Organized Joy. We're into the month of July, and this month's topic is all around healthy living. Now, healthy living is really important to me, and weirdly enough, over the last 12 months, I think, I've got a little bit lazy about it. Just one day here, 3 days there, then a week, and before you know it, you're not living as healthy a life as you like. Now, I don't want anyone to think that I'm crazy, but my healthy living approach that I use for myself keeps me sane. Not that I'm cuckoo by any means, although some people would say that I am in terms of organizing my life. But the sanity comes in when I'm not living a healthy life or approaching it in a healthy way. I feel terrible. I just feel sluggish, I feel tired, I feel bloated, I feel fat, and the list can go on. And when that's happening, it definitely affects my mindset. And over the last 12 months, like I said, I haven't been following such a healthy living life. I haven't been bad, but I haven't been as focused as I was. I know I've had a really lot going on, and that's okay, because that does happen, and I've been launching all kinds of things, which you all know about, but I really wanted to get back on track. And then I decided, well, July is the perfect month to do it, because I'll get myself ready for summer, or spring at least, and at the same time I can make it a whole topic for a whole month in terms of healthy living and how I go about it. So today's episode is all around my approach to healthy living and what that means. I don't want to get stuck in this whole aspect of being a nutritionalist or a personal trainer, because I am not any of those. I have somebody who takes care of me in that area, thank goodness. And you're going to meet him, and we're going to do a bit around that during the month. But there are 4 aspects to my life that I consider me living a healthy life, or healthy living, should I say. So those 4 things are around regular exercise, without a doubt. Eating clean, so that I can have off days. Pampering myself, because I just absolutely love that, and it's good for my mind. And the fourth one is me time. So the first one, about having time for myself. I spoke quite a lot about this in leading an organized life, but I really do believe in this, and it's about whether you're silent or quiet or just some time by yourself. It's something that is good for your mind. And in that time, you can plan so much and think about things you want, think about things you want to do, and just think about you and be inspired in some way. So whether you're doing that sitting in the car in the morning in the traffic, or if you do it at gym, or if you like to take an hour on a Sunday afternoon and go for a walk by yourself, whatever that is, having some time for you, just for you, is really important. So that would be my first one. The second one for me is regular exercise. Now this is where I just get to sweat it all out and push myself. And when I don't do my exercise, I feel terrible during the day. I'm dazed, confused, I'm slow, I'm just not on the same energy level. And that's why it's so important for me to do it. Along with the fact that I really need to do serious weight training for my bone density, because it dropped a little bit in the last 2 readings, and it's really important to do that kind of thing. I also enjoy getting it all out and having a good sweat in the morning. Now, some people like to do it in the evening. It doesn't really matter when you do it. I know during the day I will find every excuse under the sun to not go to gym after work, and that's why I make sure I get it done in the morning. I love it. It's done, sorted, out of the way, and I feel much better the whole day for it. The third one is eating clean. Now, don't get me wrong, I love a good piece of cake and a nice piece of dark chocolate mint from Lindt. But if I don't eat clean, I find that I overdo all the things that are supposed to be the treats in life. So when I'm eating clean, I just find that I'm very focused, and then I can have that cheap meal on the weekend, or dessert if you go out for dinner, because you're eating clean enough that your body can handle it. I also find that the cleaner I'm eating, the more my stomach is okay, if that makes sense. But it's just less bloated, and it seems like it's in a happier state, and it's not so crampy and sore. Now, whether that comes from stress or whatever it may be, I do know that what I eat, if I'm not eating as clean as I should be, or that I like to, it affects me without a doubt. So I try and eat clean to keep me happy. And the last one is pampering. I just love this. And it's because it's me time, I suppose, as well. But it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I have beautiful nails, I've spent some time on me, and I look nice. So that's the important part for me. So sometimes I make sure a friend meets me there so we can chat, or when we go for pedicures, it's always me and my mom. So we have a lot of time together, and I just love it. So what I've done is I have linked below for you 3 of my Pinterest boards all around healthy living. There's one called Detox and Refuel. Sorry, I'm being distracted because James is trying to get out of here. Let me just let him out. Hold on. So as I said, the first Pinterest board is called Detox and Refuel. The third one is called Hitting the Gym. And the third one is called Food Fit. So there's lots of inspiration there that you can go and look at and get some ideas for yourself. As I said, this whole month is going to be about healthy living, and we're going to do different topics. And you're going to meet my personal trainer, Lance, and we're going to talk about a whole lot of things that you can do for your life as well. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're looking forward to a healthy living month of July, give me a thumbs up as well. And if you haven't hit subscribe, please hit subscribe now. I'd really appreciate it.